Now, this laptop is iCore 7 III processor, I believe, and just to show you guys, the keyboard doesn't work. Now, I can fix it, but then I thought about it for a second. I know how to fix it, but I'm going to do something even better. I'm actually going to do a 30-day challenge where actually see, hitting the space bar, nothing's happening. I know how to fix it, but I'm not going to fix it. I'm actually going to install Linux Mint. I'm giving myself a 30-day challenge of using just Linux and see how things turn up. I mean, when I was in college and high school, I had a computer and I was crazy about installing Linux. I tried like every single operating system on my Linux old computer, and I did find some work better than other ones. And and I'm not a fan of Ubuntu. I don't like Fedora, and I had a friend that recommended me Linux Mint, and I just want to see how that's going to work. Now I'm thinking of installing a light edition of Linux, because this computer is at least 6-7 years old. It could run Windows 11 because I formatted the drive yesterday. It was Windows 11 originally, but I'll probably end up installing a Cinnamon edition of Linux Mint and see how things go. I already have a USB drive plugged in. I'm just gonna hit download, and I'll send you guys an updated video, see how things go, and hopefully I'll enjoy it. Now, the only thing I did on this computer was I only did like Photoshop and I was just using it just to browse the web, because I do have a gaming computer. I have Intel i7 with NVIDIA graphics card, and so this one's going to stay as Windows 11, and this is my computer. I do have one more laptop, which it's on the bottom. It's actually on the bottom. It has it already has, I believe, Kali Linux, or it might have Parrot. I'm not sure, honestly. That one I use for network testing and security, testing security on my own network, not somebody else's network, my own network. And I'll see how things go. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll make an updated video in a little bit. I finished installing Linux, but I'm just installing some applications. I still have to install Wine for Zoom and other, because there's some programs that are not available for Linux Mint, but it actually runs very smoothly. I'm surprised it actually runs very smoothly. I did install Google Chrome, and I kind of I don't pirate stuff, but sometimes I do use BitTorrent, and I did install VLC Media Player. I'm just installing Wine, and hopefully we can get everything to work. Now, like I said, I'm planning to use this computer for 30 days, see how Linux works for me. Actually, like I said, I do have a gaming laptop, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to leave it how it is, and honestly, hopefully this thing will work out really well. I mean, honestly, like I said before, I spoke to one of my friends. He actually recommended Linux Mint. He loves it, honestly, hopefully. And like I said, 30 days, I'm going to see how it works. If I like it, maybe I'll install it on my gaming laptop, which I don't think so.